I recently made this quilt top behind me on a sewing retreat. It's in a book called Jelly Roll Jam. Now I'm going to tell you how to make the little box that's framed in white. You need to join 9 2.5-inch squares, then trim off 1 inch all the way round, and then put some white fabric around it, 2 pieces measuring 4.5 by 1.5, and I've got 2 pieces measuring 1.5 by 6.5. So I'm going to join all of those together. Now I'm just going over to the iron to press those, and that's your block created. So this quilt measures approximately 50 by 70. There's 3 jelly roll strips sewn together and then they're attached to the block, and these are different lengths. So if you want to know exactly what they are, you'll have to buy the book called the Jelly Roll Jam.